Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage Bring Back the Big Cats. First 14 to 18 questions are to choose the correct option from multiple options. First question is, what did the 2006 discovery of the animal bone reveal about the lynx? 2006 animal bone की discovery ने lynx के बारे में क्या reveal किया? Let's see in the paragraph. Until this discovery, the lynx, a large spotted cat with tasseled ears, was presumed to have died out in Britain at least 6,000 years ago, before the inhabitants of these islands took up farming. But the 2006 find, together with 3 others in Yorkshire and Scotland, is compelling evidence that the lynx and the mysterious Lewin were in fact one and the same animal. If this is so, it would bring forward the tassel-eared cat's estimated extinction date by roughly 5,000 years. So first उनके मरने का समय कुछ और सोचा गया था, और बाद में कुछ और, so its answer is option D. It survived in Britain longer than was previously thought. Next question is, what point does the writer make about large predators in the third paragraph? Third paragraph में large predators के बारे में writer क्या बताता है? Let's see in the paragraph. Rewilding means the mass restoration of damaged ecosystems. It involves letting trees return to places that have been denuded, allowing parts of the seabed to recover from trawling and dredging, permitting rivers to flow freely again. Rewilding से पूरे इकोसिस्टम को सुधारा जा सकता है. So its answer is option A. Their presence can increase biodiversity. Next question is, what does the writer suggest about British conservation in the fourth paragraph? Fourth paragraph में British conservation के बारे में writer क्या बताता है? Let's see in the paragraph. It has tried to preserve the living world as if it were a jar of pickles, letting nothing in and nothing out, keeping nature in a state of arrested development. But ecosystems are not merely collection of species, they are also the dynamic and ever-shifting relationship between them. उन्होंने living world को एक jar of pickles के जैसे कैद करके रखना चाहा, पर ecosystem का मतलब इन्हें सिर्फ इकट्ठा करना नहीं, बल्कि उनकी आपस में एक shifting relationship की तरह है. So its answer is option C. It has taken a misguided approach. Next question is, protecting large areas of the sea from commercial fishing would result in, समुद्र के बड़े एरिया को commercial fishing से protect करने से क्या होगा? Let's see in the paragraph. This policy would also greatly boost catches in the surrounding season. So its answer is option A. Practical benefits for the fishing industry. Next question is, according to the author, what distinguishes rewilding from other environmental campaigns? Rewilding में ऐसा क्या है जो दूसरे environmental campaigns से अलग है? Let's see in the paragraph. One of the reasons why the enthusiasm for rewilding is spreading so quickly in Britain is that it helps to create a more inspiring vision. So its answer is option C. Its positive message is more appealing.